In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the LinkedIn app right onto your laptop. This is going to be a quick and easy way to streamline your access to LinkedIn, especially if you frequently use it for networking, job hunting, or simply staying connected with colleagues and industry news. So let's dive in and get started. To begin with, you'll want to open your favorite web browser and head straight to linkedin.com. You can do this right from your homepage, or if you prefer to dive straight into business, feel free to log into your LinkedIn account directly. The next step involves using Google Chrome. This browser is particularly handy for creating app-like shortcuts that make accessing websites like LinkedIn super convenient. If you haven't already opened the Google Chrome, now would be a great time to do so, since it's not only one of the most popular browsers out there, but also offers exceptional functionality for tasks like this. Once you have Chrome open, take a look towards the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll notice 3 vertical dots. This is the menu icon, which is super helpful for accessing numerous Chrome features. Go ahead and click on these 3 dots to drop down the menu. Now from this menu, hover your cursor over the section that says Cast, Save, and Share. It's pretty easy to spot because it houses all the essential Chrome features you'll be using today. After hovering over Cast, Save, and Share, you'll see several options unfolding before you. The option you're on the lookout for is Create Shortcut. Go ahead and give that a click. When you select Create Shortcut, a small prompt window will appear right on your screen. This is where you'll get the chance to decide what you want to name your desktop shortcut. Calling it LinkedIn app is straightforward and makes perfect sense, but here you have the liberty to choose whatever name resonates with you. Once you've typed in your preferred name, there's just one last click. Hit that Create button, and there you go. Just like that, you've successfully added a shortcut to your desktop. This functions similarly to an app, providing you with direct access to LinkedIn without needing to navigate through a bunch of bookmarks or retype the web address constantly. Now, whenever you wish to hop onto LinkedIn, simply double-click the shortcut icon sitting on your desktop, and voila, you're right there at the site, and there you have it. That's how you can have what feels like a LinkedIn app right within arm's reach on your laptop. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. Also, consider subscribing to this channel and clicking the bell icon to stay updated with our latest uploads. Thanks so much for watching and enjoy your newly streamlined LinkedIn experience.